Hey guys, Julie here, and today we are doing a pancake art challenge holiday edition. Jingle, 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 jingle. I tweeted out to you, Instagrammed out, whatever I did, asking for suggestions of things for me to recreate in pancake form. Now, by no means am I a pancake artist, but I'm definitely a pancake enthusiast, and that's what qualifies me for this job. I'm also excited to see what did you guys come up with? What weird, strange things developed in your brains for me to recreate that would be holiday themed. So let's check my phone. Where did I put it? Ta-da! I'm never far from my phone. I have a very unhealthy addiction. Oh, I love this one. Okay, the first one we're gonna do is a Christmas mousse. Yeah, I see you. Okay, let's get some heat on here. I've got all my colors prepared because you know I'm a professional. Not. This is a little bit of Pam. Well, not anymore. Let's try that again. You guys, my Pam is kind of f***ed. Look at this. Why does it do that? Does yours do that? It's messed up. Anyway. Okay, what are we doing? Christmas mousse. Okay, the thing I learned about when I've done pancake art episodes before is you gotta put the details on the bottom and then fill in. So I'm gonna take it off the heat. Another thing I learned, you're gonna burn it. Okay, and we're gonna go, let's do eyeballs first. Ooh, what's gonna make it Christmassy? Santa hat. And like a smile? Can Mises smile? It's Mises, right? The plural? Cool, yeah, just checking. Okay, that looks cool. It's awesome because I don't have the color brown. I can fill in the white bit. I know that that will go here. Can the mousse be blue? What are your thoughts? Kind of running out of colors. Do you guys ever think it's weird that Santa's kind of like stalking your kids? Is that ever a concern? That an old man is kind of watching your kids, watching them while they're sleeping. You know, in today's climate, that just feels inappropriate. But I mean, I'm doing a blue mousse, so who am I to decide what's right and what's wrong, you know what I mean? Awesome. Yum! Okay, turn on the heat. And now we wait. I'm just gonna check my phone because I have an unhealthy relationship. Did I say that already? You guys, look, it's an elf on my body. Look at my little feet. Little pouch there for you. Keep your snacks. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Oh baby, give me one more chance. That's not a Christmas song. Ready? Ready, 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 ready. Huzzah! Whoa! Oh, baby. You thought I couldn't do this? No, you were always very supportive of me, but look how cool that looks. The hat came out a little bit funky, but great suggestion. This looks incredible. Turns out I could do it. Love it, Christmas mousse. Let's go to the next one. All right, moving on to the next one. Let's get a little more of that wall insulation on our pan. You guys, I'm gonna throw this out. I don't know what happened, because it smells like motor oil. Like, flat out somebody mistakenly put motor oil in my pan. Ooh, we've got a Mrs. Claus, we've got an ugly Christmas sweater, and a Rudolph. I'm gonna have to go for the Mrs. Claus. Thank you for that suggestion. All three of those suggestions, by the way. Mrs. Claus, what is her vibe? I feel like the Mrs. Claus of 2018 is current. I feel like that's a woman who, much like Michelle Obama, is a no sleeves, no joking around wonder. I feel like she knows a great contour. I feel like the stereotype of her as that old kind of elderly lady, that's a joke. She is current Victoria Beckham chic. So, we're gonna go in with some eyes first and foremost. The thing you gotta know about Mrs. Claus is that that's a woman that can adapt. I mean, she's been with the same man for however many hundreds of years, and she keeps it fresh. These are cheekbones, in case you're wondering. I'm just chiseling them in. We're gonna do a nice little kind of like overdrawn lip, Kylie lip kit, not sponsored, but more than willing to consider it. I think she's blonde. I think she keeps it platinum blonde. Almost like a Trisha Paytas type vibe. So that's what I'm going in with. She's digging the pastel trend right now. Excuse me, I had chili for lunch. Looks like one of Hannibal Lecter's skin masks. I'm going to give old Mrs. Claus the flipperoonie. That's the same move Santa uses on Saturday nights. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Oh, I'm so good at this. Man, the reveal's the best part. She got a little brown, a little too much time under the sun. You're gonna wanna get that checked. You got some weird abnormal moles, but she looks good. Just got back from the Bahamas, ready for a busy December. Oh, there it is. Hanukkah dreidel pancakes for us Jews. I got you, Jews. We're gonna do a wee little Star David. I don't know what that is. I think that's the top you're supposed to hold it by, would be my guess. I don't think that looks very good. I need another plate. I don't have one here. How about, pineapples say Christmas, right? They scream Christmas. They look like Christmas trees on top of pineapples. It'll work for our purposes, okay? I don't want to hear it. Let's flip it. 1, 2, 3, go. Am I right or am I right? I'm so good at this. That looks legit. And the spinning thing, I mean, neither here nor there. Okay, we're doing this one. Somebody messaged drunk uncle. Yeah, I'll make that one. That's a great pancake. That's a family fun pancake. In a person's family, this is usually the individual who has strong political opinions, in my experience. And one must navigate those waters over Christmas dinner. I think I'm just gonna do maybe passed out on the couch. That feels like a place that a drunk uncle might situate himself. Yeah, that'll do. That'll do. Okay, couch is red, or drunk uncle's body is red. Yeah, he's under a Christmas blanket. That's what's going on. Because your mom still mothers him, even though he can totally handle himself and probably shouldn't treat his body that way. She's still there with the blanket and the coffee and the getting him back on his feet. I really enjoy getting drunk with my parents now that I'm older. Do you guys find that? Like it takes a while. There are several years where you're like, oh my God, I don't want to be drunk in front of my parents. And then something switches and you go, no, I want to get plastered with them. I think it's when your relationship switches, when you become more friends and less like, take care of me. I mean, I still do that, but God, they're just fun to party with. Schwing. No. Oh my goodness. Get out of there quick. Oh God, we lost Charlene in the fire. There, that's not so bad actually. Looks like a dead guy on a couch. That's exactly what I was going for. Okay, this is great. Easy find, you guys. This is gonna be the last one today. Somebody wrote, make a camel. I'm gonna take inspiration from that and I'm gonna say, not just a camel, I am going to make a Christmas camel. No, but I meant like, what is the shape of a camel's head? I feel like it's kind of like a horse, but maybe more stout. They don't have horns though, right? They just got ears. I started this very confidently, and now I don't know. I think I drew a cat head on just a bunch of mountains. Not all is lost. That's what I always tell myself after I eat an entire bag of chips. This is where you get to let your artistic side play, roam free, if you will. We're going abstract. And I'm going in with stripe-a-roonies. It's getting hot on my hands, you guys. If you're doing this at home, just like watch out. It gets spicy on your fingy digits. 6 white boomers, snow white boomers, chasing into the sun in the sun, chasing Santa Claus. Has something to do with like in the blazing sun, because it's hot in Australia when Santa goes there. Do you think he has to shed his clothes? And I think we always assume that Santa's wearing a coat and he's bundled up, but fact of the matter is he's got to hit another half of the world that's blazing. You never see him shed the layers. I'm so good. It looks really cool. It looks like a cat. It looks like a cat with a couple tumors. But it's a camel. It's a camel. Well, this has been fun. You guys, Thank you so much for participating and joining me at my holiday pancake art edition challenge, whatever it was. I hope you have an amazing holiday season. If you don't already, you should follow me on Instagram at Julie Nolke and on Snapchat, Feeling Peckish, so you can send in your suggestions for the next time we do this challenge. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. I'm not leaving a voicemail. I'll see you next time. Bye.